Okay, we're upstairs now, so I've been working up here a little bit, off and on, not too much, trying to, light on? Yeah, light's on. Trying to get the shows where I can find stuff. That's a lost cause around here. Keep buying parts. People want to, for some reason, people want to buy parts from me. I don't know why, but, especially clutches, because I actually have them in stock. See, when you buy out Barnett clutches, whenever they're available, you have them. Nobody else seems to have those, but I have them. So, that's because I waste money on stuff I don't need a lot. I just bought a bunch of Barnett springs too to go with the clutches, so for some reason they want the heavy-duty spring to go with the heavy-duty clutch. I don't know why. There must be a reason for it. Anyway, I keep buying other stuff. I bought out some headlights. I don't know, they're not really headlights, they're spotlights because they only got one beam. A headlight has two beams. I don't know, I bought a bunch of these. I don't know, they're not a bunch. I can buy more of these, but, it's a nice little light, but, is there a market for this junk when it only does half the job it's supposed to? In my opinion, it's not used having a headlight unless you got two beams, but a lot of guys ride around one beam. I don't know. I didn't buy too many of these. I can buy like 20 more of these if I wanted to, but I haven't bought them yet. Yeah, like a $40, $50 light. Yeah, whatever. So it says sport light. See, they can't call it a headlight. It's improved in Europe. I guess in Europe you only need one bulb. And I bought a license plate for downstairs on the bike downstairs, and they're closing these out, so I bought 3 of them. I think there's another 8, I don't know, 7, 8, 9 left. These look pretty good, I thought. These are pricey. Oh, I'm throwing parts around. Oh, geez, heaven forbid. But not put that on a rigid frame Harley. So these are nice and heavy, see? It's not plastic. It's got a nice steel bracket on there. I like that. It's curved, so it's on your fender. It actually kind of fits. Wraps around nicely. Has a nice look to it. So if it's on a bike, it'll be like that. I don't know, this stuff, guys, you like this kind of crap or not, I don't know. I bought I'm going to try to put one on the bike downstairs to that stupid ass side light they got. So, but I like quality stuff. So this is almost a $200 tail light assembly here. You buy this crap on Amazon and eBay for 25, 30 bucks, and it comes in, it's a piece of crappy plastic. How do you tell this on, how do you do this on Amazon? It's telling you it's made out of real metal. They don't tell you that kind of crap when you buy that plastic shit you buy. But customers say, oh, I can buy that for 20 bucks on Amazon or eBay. Oh, good for you, go buy it on eBay. Leave me alone. Meantime, I buy good parts. So, I don't know, people want those, let me know. I can still get a couple more anyway. But, I like quality stuff. Just like I bought a bunch of brake rotors. You buy $300 brake rotors. You sell them for 175 bucks, and people think you're ripping them off because I can buy that on eBay for 20 bucks, 30 bucks, 40 bucks. Good for you. Go buy it. It's made by PM. It ain't cheap. I bought a whole shelf full of them up there. See, there's full of them up there. I just bought these too. I bought these all out. So these are field trim things. So it's an override on top of the stock computer, piggyback crap. I bought it for the air fuel gauge. I like it. So I'm gonna figure how I'm gonna sell these things. What I like is it comes with a nice air fuel gauge, so I can see what my air fuel ratio is. It's got the O2 sensor on it, and it ain't a cheap piece of crap, it's a Bosch. And you mount this up on your handlebar or somewhere, and you got your air fuel gauge, and you can go in there and play with it. Now this one here you can actually do on the fly. It's got these buttons right here, you push them. It'll actually change the air fuel ratio as you're riding the bike, so you can tell if you like it being rich or lean in your module. And then you can go in there and change the module out to make that permanent if you like it. So right now it's preset at 13:1 refuel ratio, which is your average. For max power, usually going to be about 12.6 to 12.8. And for idling and cruising around, you're going to be up in your 14s usually. So it's a little rich at low speed, a little lean on at max power. I think it's 13, but 13 is usable. But that's a nice feature. You can actually change it as you're riding down the road. So, seat of the pants is real world. Dynos are bullshit. Oh, I sweared. Oh my god. Can you tell I don't like dynos? So anyway, I got a couple of these. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them. These are $400 kits, so yeah, they fit all kinds of different models. It's made by Novak Performance. It's AFR Plus Gen 4 is what I have. That's the latest combo. So these are nice. They're $400 units. But what's nice is I can reprogram them to fit on anything. They do auto tuning. They have you can target tune. We just tell it what ratio you want. You can have it automatically do it to a preset number. You can go in there and reprogram it. So even though these are model specific, so they got all the wiring and stuff to fit on a certain model. This one fits a Harley. Oh, that's nice. So the plugs and stuff in here are specific to the model. And then the tune inside of here is specific to the model. So like these fit a 103 or an SE bike versus a stock bike. They'll have a different tune in there. But what's nice is you can go in there and change it. And so the module's the same for everything. It's just how you hook it up and what you do to it after you get it. So they really fit anything. So I've got my apparel up online. So these are all my I-style shirts. They're up. I got them listed a couple weeks ago. So people are starting to buy them a little bit. When you gotta buy stuff, I get the piece of paper here like this. That tells me what you bought. And I go get it. And of course I do it like 3:40 in the morning because I'm a night guy. People don't like my noisy clock. It's hot up here at 62. It's always colder in this room though. So anyway, I got a bunch of stuff. So I'm slowly getting the stuff listed up on there. I finally got my year-end paperwork done, which is my monthly end, my year-end, so my taxes are done, for me anyway. So that took 3 weeks. So now I can get back to getting this stuff listed up on my website. That's tatromachine.com, in case you don't know. So, and of course I bought a bunch of new apparel. This is all new shirts, sweatshirts, hats, all kinds of crap. So I got a bunch of different colors I bought. Excuse me. So I am now, I actually buy my own apparel now. I pick what I want to buy. So I didn't have any hats, so now I got hats. So now I got to send these out and get them, get my logos put on them. So we have our logos up here. Whoop. Damn it. So these are stick-on patches, or sew them on. So you heat these up to about 280 to 310. When you heat press them on, they'll stick on. So you can do like with an iron, hold it down on something. You stick that onto something. So this one I use on my hat. The little small one goes on the hat. So I gotta get these put on. They also do one that they print out one and does it a little bit flatter, so it doesn't stick out as much. And then I got some big ones up here also for the big boy ones. So if you got like a jacket or something you want to put up on your lapel, like this here, you stick that on there and you can have one of those. So I gotta get that listed eventually, but yeah, whatever. You see something you like, call. So these are all a bunch of different hats. So this is a trucker hat with a foam front. I got some weird ones I bought. So this is like a summer hat. It's mesh all the way around. So you got your mesh here in the back, but you also got your mesh all the way in the front. So when it's on your head riding around, you don't get hot, but it keeps the sun off you. So anyway, I don't know how these people like these or not. So I got a few to play with, and I got a bunch of other. I pretty much just bought a few of everything. And I got different colors because I like colors. So this is an old dad's hat here, which means it's real flexible. And there's some wool caps in here, and some cotton ones, and some plastic ones, and I don't know. There's so damn many hats out there. I don't know the difference of this stuff. I don't wear hats, so this is all new to me trying to figure out this crap. So we got curved bills, you got flat bills, you got ones with colors on the bottom. These have a gray underneath. There's some ones with green. There's some with black. See, those ones are black. These are black. There's the green ones. I don't know. Why they got different colors underneath the bill, I haven't got a clue. I'm sure there's a good reason for it, though. The other thing we're doing, we got different colors of shirts I got. So now I gotta get the stuff all printed, so that'll take a month or two to get that done. But so I got some new colors. Here's some greens I got, and I got some maroons. There's some maroons down here. Got some pink ones too for you pink guys or girls. I think those are in this box down here. Yep, there's some pinky ones down there. Red ones. So I'm working on my summer collection. So the summer collection is the thin hats, and then the Bella canvas shirts here. These ones here. These are really soft and thin, but they hold up really good. So I bought a bunch of these, different colors. So there's a bunch of those in here that gotta get printed. So anyway, I got all kinds of different stuff here that's going to be available whenever I get around to getting it printed. Like I said, it'll take a month to 2 months to get that done. If he gets in the act, he might do it quicker for me, but for now I'm figuring at least a month minimum, probably 2. So anyway, these just have all different things in them. Here's some more shirts. So anyway, some different styles and stuff coming in. I don't know what you guys like, so I'm pretty much just hitting the board on everything and figuring out what works. These are my military shirts here. Like I said, I'm gonna have a lot more Bella canvases. These are the work shirts, so we got short and long sleeve. I got my sweatshirts. Yeah, I like the gray one for me. I think they call that gunmetal gray or something. And then I got the black for other people. I got hoodies over here, zippers and non-zippers, and I don't know, there's so damn many different styles of this crap. It's ridiculous. So I got some more military green ones coming in. Like I've added a few more colors, so I'm all into colors. I don't like having black shirts all the time. Today I got my turquoise on. This is my original logo here, which is just a single color. That means this shirt's been this shirt's been in my loop for wearing for about 4 years now, so eventually get those holes in there like that. But see, I don't care what I wear, so I don't care if they have holes. But you know, these shirts hold up for me, so if they work for me, I sell them. If they don't work for me, I don't sell them. I got some new vendor there. He's still a hold of me from Hong Kong. Anyway, it's modern sports apparel. The shirts are like 60, 80 bucks a piece. Does anybody want that crap? It's got the anti-wicking stuff in there, the breathable stuff, the stretchable crap, the anti-wet stuff. I don't know, they got so many different styles of crap out there these days. I don't know if anybody wants to buy high-end shirts like that. Me, it's just a simple t-shirt. I personally like the all-style the best. It's got that burlap bag feel to it. Perfect for me. These are the Hanes. They got that more soft and fancy feel to them. Yeah, I'm not into fancy. And these Bellas, I don't know, they're super lightweight, thin. You know, in summer times a thin shirt's nice because I sweat like a pig in it. Those new shirts are anti-stink. You're supposed to be able to wear them for 7 days without stinking. Yeah, and they breathe, so you don't really sweat, get all wet like you do. So I don't know. I was reading up about them. I don't know, some people that contact me wanting me to sell stuff for them on my website, which I'm not a big fan of. I only like selling the stuff that I use. I don't know, it's just how I am. So, I don't know. People want me to do all kinds of crap for some reason. Here's some more hats over here. Oh, this is another style I bought. These are textured hats. People like textured hats. I like textured hats better than regular hats. I'm not a big fan of the mesh in the back either. I know it helps you cool. These are the flex fit, which means they cost more. So I got a bunch of these. So, I don't know. I got a good selection of hats. It's probably, I don't know. It's probably 10 different styles of hats I bought, and probably about 4 or 5 different colors, maybe more. So I bought. Usually I buy 3 to 5 each thing I buy, so it won't be a first time one and done deal. But I don't know. Whatever you guys buy or leave comments about, I'll probably do down the road. For now, I just kind of get a big selection of junk and go from there.